Welcome back, students. We are dealing with chapter Equilibrium, Unit 7, and it is my fourth lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss concepts of acid and base. There are three major concepts of acid and base. The first concept is Arrhenius concept, and second is Bronsted-Lowry, and third is Lewis base concept. See, in Arrhenius concept, acids are those compounds, those molecules which loses proton easily, and those substances which loses OH ion easily are called as base. Let's take the example of HCl. See, HCl easily removes a proton to the aqueous solution, so it is behaving like an acid. NaOH, ammonium hydroxide, easily loses its hydroxyl ion in an aqueous solution, so it is considered as a base. But there is a certain limitation also. Arrhenius cannot explain certain molecules which are behaving like a base as well as some are acting as a acid. For example, ammonia is showing as a basic character. Na2CO3 is also showing the basic character. CO2 is showing acidic character. It's not explained by Arrhenius. And the another concept is Bronsted-Lowry concept. In Bronsted-Lowry concept, those electrolyte, those compounds which loses proton easily are taken as a acid, but those which are gaining proton are called as base. See, यहाँ पर सिर्फ हाइड्रोनियम आयन को फोकस किया है. हाइड्रोनियम आयन इजी लॉस्ट, placed in the category of acid. When the H ion are easily, protons are easily accepted by the compounds, they are placed in the category of base. So HCl, easily removal of H ion, ammonia, easily acceptance of H ion, so it is placed in the category of base. When acid and base react together, thus one component loses proton, another component gaining proton. See, after gaining or losing a proton, as this reaction is in equilibrium, reaction again goes backward and maintain the equilibrium in the condition. At that condition, they are in the form of conjugate acid-base pair. See, in front side, HCl is acting as a acid, but when the reaction goes backward, the chloride ion which is formed by HCl is acting as a base. So it remains in the form of conjugate acid-base pair. Same in the case of ammonia. In front reaction, forward direction, it is acting as a base, but in backward direction, it is acting as a acid. So it form a conjugate acid-base pair. Again, Bronsted-Lowry can't explain CO2, SO2, AlCl3 and BF3 molecule which are acting as a acid and some are acting as a base. There is no clue for their acidic and basic behavior. The third concept is Lewis concept of acid and base. Here, for the acids, those compounds which is having easily acceptance of electrons. For example, BF3. BF3, first draw the Lewis structure and find out its valence electron is central metal having 6 valence electron, has tendency to accept 2 electrons, so it is placed in the category of acid. So acids are atoms, molecules or ion which is capable of accepting electron. Same in the case of AlCl3, aluminium ion forming 3 covalent bond. Aluminium belongs to 13th family, 3 valence electron, 4, 5 and 6. By combining the chloride ion, again it has 6 valence electron, has tendency to accept electrons, so it is placed in the category of Lewis acid. Whereas those atom, molecules or ion have tendency to donate its electron pair or lone pair are placed in the category of base. For example, in the case of ammonia, Ammonia, having lone pair and tendency to donate its electron, so it is placed in the category of base. So in all, we have three concepts: Arrhenius concept, Bronsted-Lowry concept, and Lewis concept to explain acid-basic behavior of compounds. The another concept is ionization constant and ionic product. See, water is in equilibrium with H ion and OH ion. When we have to find out its dissociation constant or equilibrium constant, the product concentrations divided by reactant concentration. See, water in a pure state remains in undissociated form or dissociated very less. So it is taken as, its concentration is taken as unity. So ionization constant of water is equal to product of concentration of hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion. It has been found out experimentally the value of ionic product of water is 10 to the power minus 14. In pure water, the product of concentration of hydronium ion and OH ion is always equal to 10 to the power minus 14, but temperature is fixed, that is 298 Kelvin. Very important topic, pH of the solution. See, by pH we can easily find out the given solution is acidic and basic, or how much the acidity and basicity of the solution have. So let's discuss about the pH of the solution. It is called as power of hydronium ion. See, hydronium ion is equal to 10 to the power minus x. See, if we take the log both side, log of hydronium ion is equal to minus x log to the power 10. यहाँ पे हमने log का formula expand किया है according to log a to the power m is equal to m log a. So expand the formula here. So x is equal to minus log hydronium ion concentration, and this x is called as pH. pH is equal to negative logarithm of hydronium ion. So by the definition we can say that power of hydronium ion is equal to negative logarithm of hydronium ion concentration. It can also written like this. See students, here we have to find out the relationship between pH and pOH. And what is the relationship between pH and pOH? See, we have already discussed hydronium ion and hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to ionic product of water. Taking log both side, log, again we are using the formula log A into B. If we are taking the log of A into B, it is log A plus log B. So here taking log both side, it is a product. So expand the formula log A plus B, log hydronium ion concentration plus log hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power minus 14. So again here expand the formula log a to the power m. By solving this formula we comes to know log minus log hydronium ion concentration minus log hydroxyl ion concentration is equal to 10 to the power is equal to 14. Minus logarithm of hydronium ion concentration is called pH, minus log hydroxyl ion concentration is called as pOH is equal to 14. So what is the relationship between pH and pOH? pH plus pOH is equal to 10 to the power 14.